and a magical garden.
In the year 3000, the world was filled with incredible technology. Robots buzzed around, and cars flew in the sky. But there was a small child named Tommy who loved nature. Tommy lived in a big city, but he had a magical garden on his rooftop. In his garden, he grew colorful flowers and tasty fruits. Every day, Tommy watered the plants and spoke to them with love. He knew that even in the future, nature was essential. One day, Tommy saw a little bee buzzing around his flowers. The bee looked tired and hungry. He quickly got some sweet nectar and gently fed the bee. The bee happily buzzed away, and Tommy smiled. As the years passed, Tommy's magical garden grew bigger and more beautiful. People came from all around to see his green oasis. Even though technology was everywhere, Tommy's love for nature inspired others. They started planting trees and taking care of the environment too. Tommy's little acts of kindness preserved nature in the future, making the world a better place for everyone. And so, the story of Tommy in the magical garden taught us that even in the advanced future, caring for nature is vital, and small actions can create a big impact.